nature's fiercest rivalry, the cobra, with its venomous fangs, and the mongoose, known for its agility and resistance to venom, are natural enemies. The mongoose relies on speed, precision, and its thick fur to avoid deadly bites. Meanwhile, the cobra uses its hood to intimidate, striking with deadly force. This battle is a display of survival instincts and adaptability. While the cobra's venom can kill most animals, the mongoose has evolved resistance, making it a formidable opponent. This age-old battle reminds us of nature's incredible balance and the fight for survival in the wild. Who do you think is the ultimate survivor? Let us know. Subscribe. Thanks for watching Shade of Nature Adventure and Fishing.